Hi everybody, Connor Barton here. I'm an engineer for Unified Fire Authority. Basically my job is to drive this apparatus. We have fire engines, fire trucks, specialized units. This is one of our biggest stations right here, here in Taylorsville. So we have a lot of fire trucks to show you. So basically my job is to drive this and to make sure that it's in tip-top shape. I'm also responsible for all the equipment on here and making sure that it runs right when people need it. So first one we have for you today is the fire engine. This is kind of the lifeblood of the fire department. It makes up the majority of what we have in the fire department. And to put it kind of in a simple way, we put water on fire with this apparatus. It carries 750 gallons of water. We take it with us wherever we go. And it has a giant pump right in the middle of it that allows us to put that water on the fire before we make an attachment to a hydrant. So we're going to start on this side right here and just kind of show you where all of our positions are. So we all have teachers, some of us have jobs, we have bosses, teachers, people that kind of tell us what to do. This is our captain's seat. He's kind of like our teacher or parent or boss. And he sits right here and he's got a lot of equipment like this computer and his radio right here. And he's kind of in charge of calling the shots. So he tells us what to do and we do it. He says jump, we say how high, and he kind of dictates how this rig operates. Our captain's Joe Egbert. He's a good guy. So come back here, this is where the firefighters are. Firefighters and paramedics are in the back here. So they get to kind of hang out. You can see some of their gear, like their air pack, and their turnouts, their big fire jackets and stuff like that, helmets. And they're able to get ready en route to a call. So if we go on a house fire, their air pack is built right into the seat. And that allows them to be really quick. So while they're in their seat, they can get their air pack on. So when we set the brake, they're able to go and fight fire. So like I said, engine's the lifeblood of the fire department. And we have to get water on the fire, so we have lots and lots of hose. So you'll see here we got 2 quick connects. These things come out really fast, so we can attack the fire really quickly. We use those a lot. We don't just fight fires on these rigs though. We also do medical calls. So we got a lot of medical gear in here. This is specialized equipment that we use to help people who are sick or hurt. Extra air for our packs. Sometimes we run out. Generally in a fire situation, one of these bottles will last us about 15 to 20 minutes. So we have to keep re-swapping them. Giant fans, chainsaws, they can cut through metal. They're basically like lightsabers. And all the equipment we need to take hydrants to get water. Pretty cool stuff. You come in the back here, this is where most of the water comes out. This is all of our hose that we have. Some of this stuff, you can tell this is the hose laid flat, but that's how big it is. This can put a ton of water out. So this hose is pretty heavy duty right here. Right here in the back, this is my compartment. This is all the cool levers and stuff that we use to make water go from the pump to the hose. So I'm able to operate all these and get water to where it needs to go. Bunch of hand tools. Probably my favorite one that we have. Everyone's seen a fire axe, but we have one tool that we call the key to the city. It's this sledgehammer right here. With this, we can pretty much get in anywhere we need to go. So yeah, that's a good tool to have. More medical equipment, a couple more hand tools, and then we got some the hoses. So that's it. Pretty bare bones piece of apparatus, but like I said, this is what gets the job done in the fire department.